Hi, I'm Steve from Sounds Heavenly. If you're new to the channel, then you may not be aware that two very significant events have recently happened. First of all, I had the honour of visiting Bang Olufsen's hometown in Struer in Denmark with the B.O. Friends group of B&O collectors to celebrate 100 years of Bang Olufsen. And secondly, in the past few weeks, I've actually celebrated my own anniversary, 50 years as a Bang Olufsen fan. So if you've not seen the two videos that show those two events, I'll link to them at the end of this video. But the reason for filming today, I'm actually really excited. Bang Olufsen reached out to me after I recorded the video about my 50-year anniversary as a fan of their brand, and they've said they're sending me a gift to celebrate. And according to the tracking, that is due any time now. So I thought I'll get the camera rolling and we'll unpack it together and find out. Oh, right on cue, there's the doorbell. Please excuse me a moment, I shall be right back. Well, I must say this is actually a very heavy box for the size, and if you've got any guesses as to what you think might be in here, please drop a note in the comments. But other than that, let's open it up and find out. So we've got another box inside. This is certainly well packaged. Okay. I think there's a bit of a clue there for people in the know. You may have guessed what. Oh my word. Wow. Now I've heard about this, but oh, now that is quite incredible. I have a number of Bang Olufsen books, but well, nothing quite like this. Really nice and solid, beautiful solid slip case. The quality of this is outstanding. Very, very nice. As a connoisseur of coffee table books, I must say this seriously is a cut above what I've seen in the past for Bang Olufsen's in-house books. Superb. The Harmony lamellas, that's from the quality of the paper and the printing, the way the images, they're so bold and bright. This is beautiful. So the first 100 years in Struer, Bang Olufsen. This, yeah. Having been in Struer to celebrate 100 years of B&O, this it's beautiful. So thank you, Bang Olufsen. That was very very well placed gift. Thank you. This will be featuring on my channel in the coming weeks and months. Struer Museum, and yes, I know a few of those faces, the B&Onists, the ex-B&O specialists who keep the Struer Museum collection alive. Oh, this is lovely. We've got the entire B&O story here, B&O System 9000C. In the Cube, testing BLab 5. I had the pleasure of visiting that sound testing chamber a couple of times. this is beautiful. So I'm going to have to take my time and read through this in detail later. But oh, we've got some of the early B&O marketing campaigns. Jacob Jensen at his studio. And a lot of detail about the adverts, the people B&O have worked with. Very, very nice. I think this is a book you could leave out on your coffee table, and if a friend visited who'd never heard of Bang & Olufsen, 5 minutes later they would be a B&O fan. And my absolute favourite of B&O's products, the recreated Biogram 4000C. Thank you, Bang & Olufsen. That is an incredible gift to receive. So this is something that I think if you haven't seen this, I'd recommend get yourself to your local B&O store and have a look at this, because this is probably one of the most beautiful commemorative books I've seen from B&O. And you see up here we've got The Art of Impossible, Bang & Olufsen story that I've had for about 5 years. That's a very, very nice book, but this brings the quality up another level. Very, very nice indeed. So thank you very much to Bang & Olufsen for sending this through. I'll be featuring this in more detail on the channel in the coming weeks and months. But as promised, we have here the visit to Struer with the BO Friends to celebrate 100 years of B&O. And here we have my own anniversary of 50 years as a B&O fan. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.